Hello everyone, welcome to devopsstack channel. In the previous video, I have covered how to manage the users in Grafana. If you haven't seen my previous video, please don't forget to watch it. In this video, I'm going to cover how to manage the teams in Grafana and how can you create the folders in Grafana, and also I will show you how to grant folder permissions to team. Let's get started our topic. Let me go to the user session from the server admin. I have created two users called Dilip and Harish. In the previous video, I have explained how to create the users. If you haven't seen, please watch it. And also I have told you, whenever you create the user, he will not get the Grafana admin access, and also he will only get viewer role. Let me go back. Let me show you Harish as well. So here he is also don't have the permission Grafana admin, and also he has only viewer role. After that, let me do one thing. Let me copy the URL. Just copy it and try to paste it in another browser. So here I am using Microsoft Edge, so I am pasting here. What I am trying to do is I'm trying to log in as Dilip user. Okay, let's see what Dilip user can do. Here that username is Dilip and password is Dilip. Click on the login button. Click on never. Once the Grafana is loading, you can able to view the dashboards. So let me click on the AWS billing. Here is the AWS billing dashboard. I'm using the CloudWatch as a data source. Let me choose 90 days here. See, so he is able to view the dashboard and he cannot modify the dashboard. Why? Because he has only viewer role. Okay, and let me go back to the admin panel. After that, let me create the teams. So click on the configuration icon, select the teams. Here click on the new team. I'm providing the name as developers. So here email is an optional. You can provide or you may leave. Let me click on the create. So I am adding the member. I'm selecting Dilip as a developer. I have added. Let me do same thing again. Let me go to the teams. Let me create another team called testers. Click on the create button. I'm adding the member Harish as a tester. Okay. You have created the teams developer and testers, so you have added the members. Okay. Now let me try to create the folders. For that, you have to click on this icon and select the manage option. So here you have to click on the new folder. Here I am providing the folder name as developers dashboard. Just click on the create button. Again I am creating another folder. Let me click on manage. I am clicking on the new folder. Here I am providing the folder name called testers dashboard. Okay, here I have created two folders. One is developers dashboard and tester dashboard. Okay, let me do one thing here. Let me go to the delete user dashboard. So here, if you click the manage option, once you observe here, he is able to see the folders, right? So why? Because by default, when you create a folder, users with the viewer role are granted permissions to view the folder. That means, let me go back to the Grafana admin. Click on the users from the server admin icon. Users. So here, if you click the delete user, he has the organization role as viewer. That's why the user with the viewer role are granted permissions to view the folder. So if you want to remove the viewer role from the list of permission, you have to go to Grafana admin, click on the manage and select the folder, click on that cog icon. Here click on the permissions tab. You have to remove the viewer role and editor role here. Okay, let me do same for testers dashboard folder. Click on the test dashboard, click on the cog icon. Here go to permissions, remove the editor and viewer role. Okay, okay, then let me show you how to grant folder permissions to your team. So select the folder, click on that symbol, click on the permissions tab. Here you can give the permissions. Let me click on the add permission. Here I am choosing the developers and I am giving the edit role. Okay, let me click on the save, and also I am providing the testers team, and also I am giving the viewer. So here what happens is, whoever belongs to developers team, they are able to edit the dashboards. Whoever belongs to testers team, they are only view the dashboards. Let me click on the dashboards. So here, if you observe here, I don't have any dashboard under developers dashboard folder. So let me do one thing here. Let me click on dashboards, manage. So here, if you observe, in the general folder I have 3 dashboards. Let me move one dashboard to developers dashboard. Let me move AWS billing dashboard to a developers dashboard. So I moved that one. Okay, okay, then let me go to delete user dashboard. Here I am under delete. So let me click on the home, AWS billing. Let me choose 90 days here. Okay, he's able to view the graph, and as well he's able to manage the dashboard settings. He got the edit option. Why? Because delete user belongs to the developers. We have given edit permissions to the developers team, so that's why he has able to edit the dashboard. Okay, if you go to the permissions tab, the testers have the view permission, right? So let me do one thing. Let me sign out here. Let me log in as a tester user called Harish. Here I am giving the username called Harish and password also Harish. So let me click on login. Click on AWS building. Let me select 90 days here. Now he is able to view the graph, but he is not get the edit option, right? Why? Because Harish belongs to tester. So tester team have only view permission. That's why he is not able to edit the graph. Let me repeat same process for tester's dashboard as well. So let me click on the dashboards here, manage tester's dashboard, click on the cog icon. Here go to the permissions tab. Here what I'm trying to do is I'm adding tester's team and choosing the edit. Click on the save button. Let me select the developers and I'm providing the view. Let me save it once. So if you go to dashboards, so I don't have any dashboards in the testers dashboard folder. So let me do one thing. So here under general folder I have AWS building copy dashboard. Let me move it to the testers dashboard. Let me move it. Okay. Let me go to the another browser. Here if you go to the home, click on the dashboards and click on the manage option. You have to click on the testers dashboard. So here is the AWS building copy dashboard. If you observe here, that user has the Harish user got the edit permission. Why? Because he is the tester. I have given edit role for the tester. Okay. Let me choose 90 days. So he is able to view the graph. So let me sign out here. Let me log in as Dilip. Let me provide password and click on the login. If you observe here, click on the AWS building copy. He will not get any edit option. He is only view the graph. Okay. If you observe here, he don't get any edit option. So that's it for this video. So I hope you have an idea how to create the users, teams and folders, and also how to grant permissions to folders for the team. If you really like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.